Okay guys, so this is a Rubik's Cube, a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube which has 3 cells on each side, 3 blocks on each side. So before we start to rotate the cube or trying to get to the solution of this cube, first let's see what this cube composes of. इस क्यूब में क्या क्या pieces हैं. So as you can see, this Rubik's Cube, the 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube consists of 6 center pieces which won't rotate, of white, red, yellow, green, orange and blue. Then there are 12 two-faced pieces and there are 8 three-faced pieces. As you can clearly see, the two-faced pieces can't take place of the three-faced pieces and the three-faced pieces can't take place of the two-faced pieces. So now let's see how the different parts of this cube can rotate. What are the degree of freedoms? So the right side can rotate both ways, the left side can rotate both ways, the back side can rotate both ways, the front side can rotate both ways, the top side can rotate both ways, and the bottom side can rotate both ways. So before learning the steps, let's assign these movements a unique numbers, a unique names, a unique codes. So हम हर movement को एक code दे देते हैं. When the right side rotates clockwise, it will be called R. This will be called R. And the opposite of it will be called R dash. From this side clockwise will be called R and this will be called R dash. From the left side the clockwise will be called L and the opposite will be called L dash. This is L, this is L dash. Clockwise of the top side, this will be called U, upper side, and the anti-clockwise will be called U dash, the anti-clockwise of the upper side. So for the upper side this was U, for the down side this will be D and this will be D dash. For the front side clockwise will be F, anti-clockwise will be F dash, and the back side again this will be B and this will be B dash. So R, R dash, L, L dash, U, U dash, B, B dash, F, F dash, and B, B dash. So now let's see a scrambled cube. So you can pick any side, but I generally pick the white side as you will go further along the 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5 cubes. Picking the side will be necessary to remember which color is on which side. So I generally pick white side. So first we'll align the 4 two-faced white pieces matching with their respective colors on the other side. Okay, so by chance this white and red piece is aligned already. So next we'll have to find, let's say, this white and green piece. We have to bring it here without disturbing this white and red piece. So the white and green piece is here, we have to bring it here, so simply we'll turn it. Okay, so now we have to find the white and orange piece and put it here. So currently it is here, so first we have to take it out. It can't come here, so we'll just take it out and then rotate and put it here. We'll match the color center pieces again. Now for the white and blue piece, put it out this time we'll just do a swap and replace thing. In this we put the face that we want to replace in one place, then replace it with the face that we want there, and then bring it back. Like, we'll remove this. I want this red piece swapped with this white piece, so we'll bring the red piece down, swap it with the white piece, and put it back. So no other pieces were disturbed, and this white and blue piece got placed. So white and orange, white and green, white and red, white and blue. Now for the rest 4 3-faced pieces. First we have to find where those pieces are in the cube. Like one is here, white, red and green. It will come white, red and green. Okay, so I want to replace this white face with this white face, right? So I have to find a common place in this cube where both this and this will come, जहाँ ये भी आ सकता है और ये भी आ सकता है, जो जगह की यही है. तो हमें पहले इसको हटा देना होगा, फिर हम जिस फेस को हटाना चाहते हैं उससे पहले लेके आएंगे, जिससे हटाना चाहते हैं उससे रिप्लेस करेंगे, एंड विल पुट इट बैक इन. Okay, so now next, white, red and blue. It will come here, white, red and blue. So we have to find a common face for this orange and this white. At that place we'll bring first the orange there, then we'll replace it with the white and we'll put it back in, because we don't want to disturb any of the rest 8 pieces that are there when we change this piece. So as you can see, the common place is here. This can come here and this can come here. But as I rotate the orange piece to bring it in on our location, the white piece gets dislocated. So first we'll remove the white piece from this location, put our orange piece on our fixed location here, bring our white piece there, and then put it back. So as you can see, none of the rest 8 pieces were disturbed. So this. Now for the final 2 pieces, let's say this white, green and orange. It will come here, white, orange and green. So this piece cannot directly come upwards. So first we'll have to remove this white piece from this position into the bottom layer. So for that we'll just rotate this. The white piece is here, we'll remove it from the bottom layer, bottom side, then move the rest back up. So none of the rest 8 pieces are moved, just this one white, green and orange piece has come into the bottom layer. So now we'll bring it in front. Now we have to put this white piece up here. So again, the replacement technique, this green can also come here. So first we'll remove this white, put the green piece here, replace it with the white piece and put it back in. So none of the rest 8 pieces are moved. Now for the last piece, white, blue and orange. This white has to come up. This piece just have to rotate, but it cannot directly rotate. So we'll have to first take it out. इससे हमें इसे बाहर निकालना होगा. तो पहले हम इसे नीचे लेके आएंगे और इसे इस प्लेस से निकाल देंगे, बाकी सबको वापस डाल देंगे. So again, none of the rest 8 pieces are moved. Just this white piece has now come down. So again, you have to bring this piece near the piece that we have to move. Now again, it's in the bottom layer, it cannot be moved up. So we'll have to first remove it from here. So we cannot move the rest of the 8 white pieces, so we'll just move this. We'll turn it and remove the white piece and put the rest back up. Now the white piece in the bottom is in the bottom layer. We'll bring it in front. We have to move the white piece up again. So the replacement technique, we'll remove the white piece. The common place is here. We'll first bring the blue piece here, then replace it with the white piece. First bring the blue piece, replace it with the white piece, and voila, our first layer is complete. So first try it by yourself. You can also try to just bring the 9 whites here irrespective of the colors, just to get hang of the cube, how the cube moves, and then slowly you begin to match the colors of these 9 white blocks. So your first task is to finish the first layer, matching the faces with the centerpieces. And always remember the replacement technique. The faster you can do the first layer, the faster you can solve the cube, because rest of them are from the formulas, from the codes that we learned in the beginning of this video. So first try to learn to solve the top layer as quickly as possible, and then I'll guide you to our middle row. Next we will solve these 4 pieces. So try. Thanks for watching, guys. Till we meet in the next video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.